Mula.
Okay, good morning, Sir John Tritak, and we are here in our home place, um, Riverbank Forest, and we are here with my father, celebrate my birthday this morning, October 15, 2008, and I glad to know that I'm still remember you, and we both celebrate our birthday today. But I'm so sad that before I work in our company, you promised me that you will going to Abu Dhabi to we both celebrate our birthday. But sad to say, because of the problem of my health, so I going back here in the Philippines to take my medications, and God give me another time to heal my problems, and because of you I'm now still of recovery, and my father wants to greet my their blessing and their about you, and it's so hard to find a person like you, so we just make a little time to, even this is a little way, but I know you we will send you a message for your birthday today. Happy birthday. Okay. Okay.
Hello, Mr. Tritak. I am the father of Jonathan Dibanti in the Philippines, and I am informed by my son that by October 15, maybe this coming 2 days from now, you will be celebrating a birthday like my son. I cannot forget you, Mr. It is tremendously greatest gift that you are a person whom I know that my son helps my son very much. One of the things that I wish that your birthday will be everlasting to be remembered is that your character is a gift, and that gift may be the science that God gives you long life. I remember my son keep story, and then the life in Dubai, that if not of you, Mr. Tritak, my son was so desperately uh, desperate in life in Dubai, but because of you, Abu Dhabi, because of you, my son was so happy that you are a man who greatly helped my son. So, what I could say that I wish that God's help you and many, many more years to come that you have to celebrate your birthday. Thank you so much and good morning.